Hello everyone, welcome back to the Codersarts. In the new project idea learning series, we are going to merge the both of the technology, AI and Android. So in this project idea, we are going to discuss about a new storage cleanup management system. I have named this project as the Smart Clean AI powered smartphone storage management. So let's move to the introduction part. Introducing Smart Clean and intelligent file storage app, leveraging the power of the artificial intelligence to revolutionize the smartphone storage management with the rise of the digital clutter and limited storage space on the smartphone. So Smart Clean offer the streamlined solution for the identity and removing the unnecessary file, optimizing the storage efficiency and enhancing the device performance. So what is the problem basically we are facing in the smartphone? Managing smartphone storage space can be a challenging and a time consuming task, especially with the accumulation of the junk file. There is a lot of junk file we are get from the WhatsApp and the other meme material, other things like duplicate photos and unused data. Over time, without effective solution, user may struggle with the free up the storage space and maintain the optimal devices performance. So what is the solution we are going to provide in this app? So Smart Clean addresses the challenges by harassing the AI technology to analyze and identify and remove the unnecessary files, freeing up the storage spaces and improving the device performance by automating the process of the storage management. And Smart Clean streamlines the user experience that ensure the efficient use of the smartphone and the storage resources. So we are going to provide a lot of things, like we are going to uh, clear the unnecessary file, freeing up the storage, clear the cache memory via using the artificial intelligence, which are not necessary for the user. So what are the key features we are going to provide in this application? AI powered file analysis. Utilize the AI algorithm to scan and analyze the smartphone storage, identifying the junk files, duplicate photos and unused data. And secondary, we are going to automate the cleanup, automatically remove the identified necessary files with a single click, saving the user time and effort. Thirdly, we are going to smart recommendation, offer a personalized recommendation for the optimizing the storage space based on the users and the pattern. So, and fourthly, we are going to schedule cleanup. We are going to schedule the cleanup, allow the user to schedule a regular cleanup task to maintain the optimal storage efficiency on the device performance. Fifth one is the intuitive interface. Provide a user-friendly interface to the visual representation of the storage and clean up the result, making it easy for the user to manage their smartphone storage. So if you wanted to continue with this smart cleanup application, so we are also able to do it. And if you have any other idea in the college project assignment or any other course, so you can just drop a mail to the contact@codersarts.com,